Hello, good morning student. I am Purnima and once again I welcome you to my channel, to my session. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson, that is the comet written by Jayant Narlikar. So this comet is written by Jayant Narlikar. Okay, I've already told you that how Dattada had discovered a new shooting star, and he was very much honored by many people, by many newspaper persons, okay, by many great persons of the city. And but he was a shy introvert person, so he was not able to accept all these felicitations award. Now what he has to do, it was his secretly he had three wish, and he was lucky that all his three wish were fulfilled. First wish was to um, have a telescope, and the name of the telescope they had they have kept Divya Chakshu or Divya. Okay. Second wish was to give a lot of time to watching the star. That also have been fulfilled, because now Dattada was retired from the office and now he had a plenty of time. Now third wish was to discover a new shooting star which Dattada had discovered from his 8 inches telescope. So children, these were the three wishes which was fulfilled by Dattada, and now children, he is being greatly honored. Okay, he is greatly honored all the persons. Well, in newspaper I am going to start. We have already done half of the lesson, and I am going to start from page number 75. Calcutta man discovers new comet. So if newspaper was there, and the name of newspaper was Anand Bazar Patrika. It came out with the news that Kolkata man discovers a new comet from our special correspondence, and that was written by a very famous, from his special correspondence. Sri Manoj Datta, a resident on the northern outskirts of Kolkata, has claimed to have discovered a new comet. So children, he had claimed to discover a new comet. He has seen the comet on the last 2 nights and has informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Now children, he had already seen his comet before 2 nights ago, and he had informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. So this was informed to an Indian Institute of Astrophysics, and this was in Bangalore. Okay, the IIA, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, run a 90-inch telescope. So they were having a 90-inches telescope. The thing is that children, 8 inches telescope, that means Dattada has found this new comet through 8 inches telescope, and they were having 90 inches telescope, and they were not able to find it. The biggest in Asia. It was one of the biggest telescope of Asia at Kavalur. It is confirmed Datta finding it will be the high point in its lifelong career as amateur astronomer. So children, it is written here, Datta will always be remembered as a amateur astronomer. Datta, as he is affectionately called by his friends and admirers, estimates that the comet would be clearly visible to the naked eye in the next few months. So children, the Manoj Datta, it was his full name, and now children, he was known by the name of Dattada by his family and his relative, and he gives all credit for his discovery to his 8 inches telescope, which he called Divya. And now children, he was known by Dattada, and the credit he is given for his discovery to his 8 inches telescope, and the name of that telescope they have kept was Divya. So children, this was written in the Anand Bazar Patrika, a newspaper. Thereafter, it took just 1 week for Comet Datta to be recognized and so named. And children, within 1 week, the whole world came to know about Comet Datta, and it was named also. This IIM people have kept that comet. The name of the person who had discovered it, that is Datta comet or Comet Datta. So children, it was recognized by the name of Comet Datta. For the IAIA confirmed the findings and communicated it's worldwide. Now children, even IAIA before announcing it to the world, they have to children collect the proof, and finally they have find it out. They have told this thing to the world that this was a true finding by Mr. Datta. Okay, and this information they have given to the whole world. And according to the accepted practice, the new comet was named after its discoverer. And they were the one who had named it after the discoverer. Who was the discoverer? Manoj Datta. So this planet was named by the name of Comet Datta. To his surprise, Indrani Devi agreed. I wish the same, through not for the same reason. Now children, one thing I told you that Datta he was an introvert person. He was feeling shy. He was feeling shy to go and to go to the felicitation and for his honor. So he shared this thing with his wife. Even his wife told him, I don't want that you should go. Now he wanted to ask the reason that why she is behaving like that. So the reason she told that, one day when he asked his wife, may I ask why you wish I had not discovered the comet? Datta asked, comets bring ill luck. So she told him, comets bring ill luck, and I wish a good man like you were not associated with the discovery of one. And you are the one who is associated with this comet. So I don't want that this comet should be that nobody should know that you have discovered this comet, because now children, ill luck is, since ill luck is associated with the comet, and she feels bad that her husband name is also there with that comet. Datta laughed. I see that even an MA degree has not cured you of your superstition. Now he is telling that you are a MA pass lady and you are not still able to you are not able to cure your superstition. There is no correlation whatsoever with the arrival of a comet and the calamities of the north. He is telling there is no children, there is nothing to do with the calamities of the earth and the comet. On the contrary, now he is telling on the contrary, comets have been scientifically studied and their composition is well understood. Now children, comet is, people are studying comet now separately. Now people are able to understand that they are having the separate composition and nothing to do with the bad luck on earth. And there is nothing harmful about them. Well, you will soon see this comet of mine pass harmlessly by causing no anxiety to anybody. Now he assured his wife that even the comet which I have discovered, you will see it will pass and it will not bring bad luck to anybody. In this last comment, however, Datta was not going to be exactly right. No children, he was not actually right what the other people felt. Okay, and now children, we will be doing, there are question answer which we can discuss in the online classes, and children, we will be after that we will be doing this one, the second part of it. Okay, now in the spacious dining hall of King College, Cambridge. Now children, now we were in there in India. The talk was going on between Datta and his house. Now children, we have been shifted. Now here part 2 is showing the scene of the Cambridge University. Okay, and it is a dining hall of King's College. In the Cambridge University, King College is there, and there is a spacious dining hall is there of King College. The butler whispered deferentially in the provost's ear and handed him an envelope on a silver tray. Okay, so children, the butler whispered deferentially in the provost's ear and handed him an envelope in a silver tray. So that he had butler, he had given something he told in provost ear, and then he had handed him an envelope, and the envelope was kept on the silver tray. The provost beckoned James and paused on the envelope, saying, "It seems you are wanted urgently in your room." So children, it was then somebody, he told that I have to leave and somebody is waiting for him in his room, and it was urgent. As he made his way towards the beautiful building, James opened the envelope. It contained a brief note. Now children, he opened the envelope and a brief note was there. It was written there, "Dear Dr. Forrest, the bearer of this note has been instructed to bring you to my office in London tonight. Please come without a delay. I am making arrangements for your overnight stay in London. I regret the inconvenience caused to you and request you to keep your visit strictly confidential. Believe me, it is absolutely essential. Yours sincerely, John Macpherson." Children, suddenly James Forrester, he received a letter, and what was written in the letter, that you have to come to London immediately and the visit should be kept confidential. Nobody should know about the visit, and you have to come without delay. The signature carried the designation underneath, "Defense Science Advisor, Her Majesty's Government." So children, a very high ranking post. What was the post? Defense Science Advisor, Her Majesty's Government. A bowler hatted man near the mantelpiece greeted him as James entered his sitting room. "I am Johnson, sir, security officer at Whitehall." He showed his identity card and continued, "I presume you know why I am here, sir." And then children, he went to the office. Dr. Forrest, Mr. Forrest, James Forrest, he went to the office. A bowler-hatted man was near the mantelpiece, greeted him as James entered his sitting room, and he told, "I am Johnson, sir, security officer at Whitehall." He showed his identity card and continued, "I presume you know why I am here, sir." "To the extent that is conveyed in this note," replied James. He knew that it would be useless to ask Johnson for further details. "I won't take long." So children, Johnson, Ford, Cortina brought them to Whitehall. In less than 90 minutes, it took them another 10 minutes to reach the chambers of Sir John Macpherson. Now, so from there, he had moved to the John Ford Cortina brought them to Whitehall. In less than 90 minutes, it took them another 10 minutes to reach the chambers of Sir John Macpherson. Having introduced James to Sir John, the quiet but efficient Johnson slipped out. "Dr. Forrest, my apologies for this imposition on your time." So first of all, children, he has asked for his apologies. Okay, and here, children, the meaning of impending is approaching. Okay. "Dr. Forrest, my apologies for this imposition on your time." Sir John advanced with outstretched hand to avoid any further delay. "I will come to the point right away." Sir John handed him a typescript. Okay. So children, Don is there in the office of in the chamber of Sir John Macpherson, and having introduced James to Sir John, the quiet but efficient Johnson slipped out. "Dr. Forrest," he told, "my apologies for this imposition on your time." Sir John advanced them outstretched hand. "To avoid any further delay, I will come to the point right away." Sir John handed him a typescript. "Why, it's my paper to nature. How did you get this original manuscript?" James was surprised and somewhat uneasy. Sir John saw his anxiety and continues, "Taylor, the editor of Nature, is a friend of mine. I had asked Nature to publish it without delay since it is very important." James looked puzzled. "I agree that is important, so important in fact that it must never be published. That is, if what you say is correct." Sir John lit his pipe. James would never have tolerated aspersions on the accuracy of his work. Aspersions means harsh remark, or the implied order that it must be suppressed. But he knew Sir John to be a respected scientist and was willing to hear him out. Please do not misunderstand me, Dr. Forrest. I met Taylor today at lunch in the club where he showed me your paper. I will retain enough interest in astronomy, you know, and he asked for my opinion before spending it to professional referee. I immediately realized that your result has profound implications. Okay, so now I immediately realized that your result has profound implication if it is correct. Let me assure you, Sir John, that it is correct. I stake my reputation on it. James could not contain himself any more. Do you realize what will happen if Comet Datta collides with the Earth? As you predict, it will now, children, in that paper what was written, children. Now, children, in that paper what was written, the Comet Datta will collide with the Earth, as you predict it will. The effect will be catastrophic. Catastrophe means it would be very great, dangerous. It will ruin everything when this comet Datta will come to the earth. It will be colliding with the earth. Cometary collisions are expected to occur once in 10 million years, but now we know that the next one will occur in a year. 10 months to be precise, interjected James. Thank you for the correction. Do you realize that we have only 10 months of survival left for the entire living species on the earth? Now he is telling that do you think now we are having only 10 months to live, survive here on the earth, because as per your paper you have just told that it will be this comet Datta will be colliding to the earth, and then afterward no life will be there on earth. Don't you think we have to do something to stop all this? A fleeting smile crossed James' face, just like a civil servant, as if we are facing here a minor breakdown of law and order. He thought to himself. Aloud he said, how, may I ask, can we prevent this natural catastrophe? Now he is telling how can we, children, stop this natural catastrophe. I don't know, but we have no option but to try. He's telling he definitely I don't know how to stop, but at least we can think and we can try for something. I think we need more than 2 brains to handle this situation. And he's telling I think that we need more than 2 brains should be here to avoid this situation. It is essential to call an urgent meeting of experts from all over the world to think of a countermeasure, and of course in total secrecy. Now he's telling the first of all we have to invite the scientists, okay, or who are dealing with the comets, and a secret meeting should be there, and there we can discuss that what should be done to stop comet Datta to collide the we should stop it from colliding it from the earth. Think of the panic in the world of this dreadful news leaks out. And he's telling if this news will leak out through any sources like newspaper or media, the world will be full of panic, the people will be full of this, they will be living in a dreadful situation. Sir John glanced at the manuscript in James' hand. My suppressing this paper will not hide the truth, Sir John, James said. There are others who will arrive at the same conclusion sooner or later. So he is telling Mr. James Forrest told the other person, he told if I will not publish this paper, somebody will be coming to the conclusion, if not now then afterward, and the news will be leaked to the world. No, do not suppress it but tone it down. Okay, he is telling do not suppress it but tone it down. But I mean to say that tone it down, that make it something right in some manner, that it should not look serious. Add many ifs and buts to make your conclusion appear not so certain. And he's telling you write if and but. Okay, let the people live in the confusion. I will exert all my influence with friends in other countries to make them exercise a similar restraint for a while. Now he's telling exert means apply, and the same thing I will be applying with all over the world where my friends are. Okay, and I will tell them to publish the paper which will be written in a very soft language. For how long? Until this wretched comet is safely out of the way. Let us spend some time now to plan the detail of this international conference. Shall we call it in a week's time here? A week to plan such an important secret conference of international experts. James thought it an impossible task, but Sir John disagreed and began to spell out details. Okay. So children, now they are planning to the world for a get together. For a meeting, and there they would be discussing how to avoid the collision or what else will be there. Okay. Now, student, we have finished comment 1. Okay, and before moving to comment 2, I'm thinking to discuss some of the question answers with you. Okay, why does Indrani Devi dislike Datta hobnobbing with Divya? So, children, Divya Chakshu was the name given by Mr. Manoj Datta. Divya was a name given by Indrani Devi. So but it was not a girl's name, it was the name of the telescope. Datta was always busy during night with Divya because whatever studies about the star and the comet he was doing through Divya. He never cared for his wife or about himself. So his wife disliked it as her rival. So this was the reason that he did not even had taken care for his wife and for himself. So she was disliked it as her rival. Question number 2. She is complaining and smiling. Why she is smiling? Children, she is complaining and smiling. Okay. She is complaining and smiling. She complained that Divya has cast a spell on her husband, but she could not help smiling at his childlike behavior. He did not bother to close the door and he forgot to put on his sweater. So she was smiling at how careless he has become. Then, third, what was Dattada's secret ambition? Dattada's secret ambition was to buy a good telescope and to have enough of spare time to watch the stars. Fourth, what is the difference between a planet and a comet as given in the story? He waited for his retirement. After retirement, he got sufficient funds. Then he bought a telescope and he started gazing at the star without caring for his wife and life. So children, these are the question answer which I am discussing with you. Now children, I will come to question number 4. What is the difference between a planet and a comet as given in the story? Now children, I am not asking the difference between the planet and a comet which is given in the geography book. I am asking about the difference between the planet and a comet which is there in the story. A planet has fixed orbit. A comet comes from the distant corner of the solar system. It keeps on changing. So children, what you will say? A planet has a fixed orbit. A comet comes from the distant corners of the solar system. It keeps on changing. Now, question number 5. Why was Dattada hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Dattada was hopeful of discovering a new comet because he knew that professional astronomers did not consider them significant and ignored them. So children, he was helpful of discovering a new comet because he knew that professional astronomers did not consider them significant and ignored them. Question number 6. Why does Dattada say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? So children, the discovery of the new comet brought Dattada publicity which he did not like. He had to attend many receptions and functions, so he wished he had not discovered that new comet. Now question number 7. Why is his wife unhappy about the discovery? His wife was unhappy about the discovery because she was a superstitious lady. She thought that the discovery would bring calamities on the family as well as on ourselves. Children, these are some of the question answer which I have discussed from page number 77. Now I will be coming to the question answer, children, which are there in page number 80. Okay, and I am only discussing. I will be not telling you word by word, student. You have to write your own. I am only discussing the question and answers. Now, page number 80. So the first question is, how did Sir John get hold of James' original manuscript? Sir John got hold of James' original manuscript from Mr. Taylor, who wanted to get his opinion before sending it to a professional referee. So he got original manuscript from where? From Mr. Taylor, who wanted to get his opinion before sending it to professional referee. Now, what is the important point the paper makes? The paper makes the important point that Datta's comet would collide with the Earth. That comet, that Datta comet, which was discovered by Datta, which will be collided by with the Earth. Third, why does Sir John say that James' paper should not be published? John said that by publication of James' paper because his prediction would cause widespread panic in the world. What do the two men finally decided to do? The two men finally agrees to organize a secret conference of international experts to plan how to avert the calamity. So children, in this way, and the other thing was that he don't want to disclose to the world because John Forrest said, if I will not, if we will not tell them, some other will discover and tell the same thing. So he is telling कि we will tell, but we will tell in the soft language so that it will not create, it will not cause panic among the people. Okay. So you can see, children, in the Comet 1 how Datta, the hobbies and secret ambition, starting from a very, what to say, it was a non-serious thing that a person is having a hobby and he had bought a telescope whole night. His wish was to discover a secret comet, a comet by him. And children, he used to study the stars every night. Late at night he used to wake up, and finally he did discover a comet. Okay, he was a not a astronomer, he was an ordinary person, but how you can see that the discovery by an amateur scientist, okay, how it led to a serious matter when the people of the Oxford Amnesty come to know this, and they came to know that a comet will be soon, that Datta comet will be soon be collided with the earth and the whole life on the earth will be destroyed. Okay, so this was his finding, and children, they were very worried, and now they don't want to disclose it in a serious manner to the world, because you know that the world, the people will be dying of terror and the panic will be caused in the world. So what they are thinking to call a meeting and how to represent it properly in the world. Through that, in that meeting, the people from all over the world were invited, and it was told to them that they have to find it out. They have to find it out that how this thing will be presented to the world. Secondly, what should be done, because 10-month time is nothing. After 10 months, the planet will be coming to the earth and it will be colliding from the earth. The result will be the disaster. The whole people of the world will die. So he's thinking that is also, that is most important, that how to save the people of this earth, how they should be, the thing should be there, we should do to stop that comet from colliding. So I think, children, the solution we will get here in part 2, and this part 1 we have completed. Okay, and now children, the thing is that you can see how a person, he just, it was his wish, and now that turned out to be a very serious matter. Okay, and now how the scientists will deal, how, what will happen to stop the collision, this we will read in comet, the comet part 2.